gigo te.
Gavana Migori Ochillo wacho ni piny owacho mar dhi nyime kod chenro mane ni pi oyudore ma ok borne mita 500 kowuok dala ka dala kaka nosingo. Ochillo mane wuoyo e gwenge mag Kegonga e sub county ma Kuria East kama ne oyawe yanga chenro mar gedo mar pi ma igero kod omenda maromo milion 25 nowacho ni piny owacho mar dhi nyime kod chenro maneno ni oganda e county ma Migori obedo kod yot e yudo pi. Director migao mar pi e county ma Migori Juliet Adhi wacho ni 54% mag oganda e county ma Migori yudo pi maler ka omedo ni 24% mag jogo ma odak e bombe e county ma Migori sani otudi kod pi mar fereji.
If you go to Kihancha, if you go to Kigonga, you go to Migori town, you go to Rongo, you go to Awendo, you go to Nyatike, all those places, there is a concerted effort that is being progressed towards achieving the target of giving access to clean water by our people. So when there is clean water, the primary health facilities and the primary health care is sorted out. So this is an important project, and there are many more projects of this kind, and you can see that our people of Kuria East, our people of Nyabasi East and Nyabasi West are very excited about this project.
Population in the urban centers that are connected to tap water stand at about 24%. It's still quite low, but as a county, the people who access safe water, that is through the individual connections as well as water kiosks, is at 54%. So we are doing all we can, and we are on an increasing trajectory. So more people are being connected to water so that we can be able to achieve the governor's manifesto, in which he dedicated that we'll be able to get water within 500 meters. As a department, we are still supporting MIWASCO to ensure that we can increase the